Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to delete message request chats on Facebook. Whether you're cleaning up your inbox or just removing unwanted conversations, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Ensure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages. Next, tap on the messages icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Messenger section, where all your conversations are stored. Once you're in the Messenger interface, tap on the menu icon. This is typically represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots. From the menu options that appear, select Message Requests. Here, you'll find chats from people who aren't in your friends list. Now locate the chat you want to delete. Press and hold on that chat until a menu pops up. From the options provided, tap Delete. Finally, confirm the deletion if prompted. And that's it. The message request chat has been removed from your inbox. This simple method ensures your inbox stays organized and free of any unwanted clutter. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips for managing your Facebook account. Thanks for watching.